These are terrible. Welcome to Learn Wine with Caroline. Today we are going to talk about how to use a corkscrew. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and check the link in the description for my free wine vocab guide. So we are going to talk about opening a bottle of wine. These are terrible, okay? This is not even mine. I had to borrow this from my awesome videographer. These are terrible. I'm giving her a different one at the end so she can throw this shit away, okay? No. No. You need one of these. This is called a waiter's friend. It fits in your pocket. You can hopefully bring it on the plane. I've done it. Maybe don't, but basically, people are like, I don't know how to use this. It's really not rocket science, okay? It's fine. So you normally have like a little knife thingy. The knife thingy goes around the top. You want to go above the lip, and you just go around, pull off the top, okay? If it's not perfect, take the whole thing off. It doesn't matter, right? We're not a Michelin star restaurant, we're just at home. Then I like the ones that have two parts, okay? If you don't have one with two parts, it's not quite as good. Two parts is better. I ordered like 300 of these right before the pandemic for my previous business, which had a completely different name than this one does. So if you need a corkscrew, let me know. Okay, you open it up, you do this. You want to stick it in, you can kind of stick it in at an angle. And then I often like twist the bottle. That might not be correct for the somms in the room. You know, sitting down is not as easy either, but you get it in, you want to put it straight down. I don't do it all the way. Keep like maybe two spirals, so you have a little bit of room. And then I'm going to do the first part of this doohickey and bring it up part way. And then I put the second part and bring it up the rest of the way. I was not hard, okay? I believe in you. You can do it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to go to the link in my description to get your free wine vocab guide. Cheers.